then over a period of time, of course, my mentor who taught me life coaching skills, that's Pooja Puneet.
Mm,
I don't know, I met her at one phase of life where I was
mm,
just sitting and passing my time, drinking
mm.
a cup of coffee, and I decided that I should do this life coaching course this year. But at the least expected time, she just came. Okay, and I
Right.
registered one course, and then I registered for a proper certification course with her.
Mm,
And most interestingly, before the course happened,
mm,
I think the course was supposed to start on a Friday.
mm.
And on Monday, I lost my grandmother. Okay. And when I lost my grandmother, it was due to age. However, when I just started the course started at a time where I could actually deal with the loss. And like you become so self aware about
Correct.
life, about how you're feeling, and also being okay with expressing and crying, but still like dealing with the loss. Came at such a phase of my life where it was really beautiful to
Mm.
understand that having the right mentor or right
Yeah,
course or
true.
right situation at the right time. So I had an
Mm.
option to register 2 months before that, but I
Right,
don't know. I just registered that month, and it was such
right.
a beautiful.
Right place, right time.
Yes,
Beautiful.
it was very these are the key people I would like to mention. There are a lot of
Of
other
course, of
people,
course,
but
of course.
yes, these are the ones that I
Amazing.
mention now.
Just looking at you reliving all of this, that's the power of people that have, showed up in your life and made that impact. And I know that in the coming days, as it is even now, that what you have received is what you are sharing with the world, right? And like I said, even the first time when we met, that became extremely clear that you have truly tapped into your vocation, your calling. And as you said, that's why I told you that day when we met, I said, I won't ask you then. I will wait till we get to meet here and understanding the work that you're doing when you're talking about transitioning and really truly helping people be what they're meant to be, and also more importantly being that bridge while they transition. That takes a lot, and it was really beautiful to hear your story. And also, I know people who hear this are definitely inspired by you, by your story, and also reminded to keep doing the work that they are doing, right? Especially our core audience, which is, of course, healers and coaches and seekers as well. So people who may not realize that they will be healing and coaching someday soon. So irrespective of where they are on their journey, I know when they've heard your story today, and for folks who have reached this point, it just means that you already connected not only with Arya, but also, in the coming days, this is your opportunity to keep following along with what Arya is doing. And definitely, as we say, hit the like button and follow along, because I'm sure as Arya discovers more of her own purpose, you'll get to hear and follow along her journey. So thank you once again, Arya, for coming here and sharing your story. And like I said, the purpose of this pod is to be that space so that other people will have an opportunity to get to know you better in the coming days.
Thank you so much, Rahul, for this opportunity to invite me as your guest. It was a wonderful conversation. I think we already blended well in the Insta live that
Yes.
we had. So it
Yes.
was much more deeper now
Mm,
because
mm,
I got to know your perspective, but then the way we could move from one
yeah.
area to another, it was so comfortable and smooth. Thank you for holding the space. Thank you for asking such beautiful questions, bringing out different aspects and perspective about coaching, which is so important
Mm,
as this area is still growing and people have a lot of questions about coaching. So thank you for all these initiatives and increasing awareness in this area. Thank you once again for inviting
amazing.
for this
Yes. And
conversation.
thank you. Thank you.